Welcome back to Sir Boats Yacht, where we dive into the world of extraordinary vessels, from elegant yachts to colossal cargo ships and everything in between. Today we're shifting gears from luxury and leisure to raw power and engineering marvels as we explore the fascinating world of LNG carriers, specifically the mighty Taitar No.2, a ship that belongs to the new generation of liquefied natural gas carriers.
Now you might be familiar with the name Ever-Ace, as
it often refers to the famous ultra-large container ship from the Evergreen fleet, but today we're not talking about containers. We're going deep into energy transportation with the Taitar No.2, a member of a specialized LNG carrier class that shares the advanced engineering philosophy of modern giants like Ever-Ace. This ship is not about carrying boxes, it's about carrying one of the world's most crucial fuels, LNG, liquefied natural gas, safely, reliably, and in massive quantities.
LNG carriers are some of the most sophisticated vessels at sea today. They operate under extreme conditions because their cargo is not just any liquid, it's natural gas cooled to minus 162 degrees Celsius, turning it into a dense liquid that can be shipped across oceans and regasified on arrival. These ships are the lifelines of international energy trade, and the Taitar No.2 stands out in this category as a testament to modern naval architecture and energy logistics. Let's start with key features that make the Taitar No.2 a ship worth knowing. The vessel was built with a focus on maximizing capacity, efficiency, and safety. With an approximate length of around 295 meters and a beam of about 46 meters, she's not the largest LNG carrier out there, but she fits neatly into a high-capacity mid-range class that makes her more versatile in port access and route options. Her gross tonnage falls in the range of 110,000 GT, which gives her a robust profile perfect for long-haul energy missions. One of the most vital aspects of any LNG carrier is its containment system. Taitar No.2 is equipped with a membrane-type containment system, most likely a Mark III system developed by Gas Transport and Technogas, or GTT. This technology involves thin membranes supported by insulation layers, which not only keep the LNG at cryogenic temperatures but also allow for efficient use of internal space. It's lighter than spherical tank systems and better for hydrodynamics, contributing to fuel efficiency and overall capacity. Powering this beast is typically a dual-fuel slow-speed diesel engine capable of running on both conventional marine fuel and natural gas. This dual-fuel capability means she can burn boil-off gas from the cargo during voyage, making the ship more energy efficient and reducing emissions. The propulsion system usually includes an electronically controlled low-speed engine paired with a shaft generator or hybrid propulsion to further reduce fuel consumption and increase maneuverability. Now let's talk about the design philosophy of the Taitar No.2. She represents a balance between brute strength and refined engineering. Her hull is shaped for optimal hydrodynamic performance, reducing drag and improving fuel economy even on long intercontinental voyages. Her bow is bulbous, a common trait in large carriers, which helps in cutting through the water more smoothly, minimizing wave resistance and enhancing fuel savings over time.
The ship is built with a double hull design, a crucial safety feature in LNG shipping. The double hull offers an extra layer of protection against potential breaches during collision or grounding, reducing the risk of environmental hazards. The steel used in her construction is a special cryogenic grade designed to handle the extremely low temperatures of liquefied natural gas. This ensures structural integrity no matter how harsh the environment.
Bridge design on ships like Taitar No.2 is where traditional navigation meets modern technology. The navigation bridge features a centralized control layout with digital radar systems, electronic chart displays, integrated ship management systems, and satellite communication interfaces. Bridge wings extend to both sides of the vessel, allowing for excellent visibility during docking operations and maneuvering in tight port spaces. Moving into the interior features of the Taitar No.2, we find an environment that is both utilitarian and thoughtfully engineered. The crew quarters are designed to provide comfort on long voyages. Crews can be away for weeks or even months, so the living spaces are insulated, soundproofed, and equipped with air conditioning and heating systems to handle any climate.
Accommodation includes private or semi-private cabins with sleeping and working areas, recreational rooms, a mess hall, gymnasium, and in some cases even a small clinic or infirmary. Modern LNG carriers are designed with crew welfare in mind, not just operational efficiency. This includes access to high-speed satellite internet, entertainment systems, and training simulators for emergency drills and ship system operations. The engine control room is the nerve center of the ship's mechanical systems, housing banks of monitors, switches, alarms, and override systems. It allows engineers to manage propulsion, power generation, LNG boil-off recovery systems, and environmental controls. In an LNG carrier, the boil-off gas system is vital because the natural gas in the tanks gradually warms and evaporates. If not used for fuel or reliquefied, it must be safely vented or managed.
Safety systems are a critical component of Taitar No.2's interior layout. Fire detection suppression systems, gas detection alarms, and emergency shutdown valves are strategically located throughout the vessel. Regular drills are conducted to ensure the crew is always ready to respond to any contingency, from cargo leakage to onboard fire or power failure.
Now let's dive into performance aspects and see how this ship really holds up in action. Taitar No.2 is designed for both endurance and reliability. With a cruising speed of around 19 knots, she strikes a balance between fast delivery and fuel conservation. Her range allows her to traverse oceans without refueling, and thanks to her dual-fuel engine, she can switch between diesel and boil-off gas depending on operational needs and fuel prices.
Handling at sea is optimized through advanced automation and control systems. The ship is equipped with dynamic positioning support, autopilot systems, and integrated navigation software that adjusts course for weather, current, and traffic conditions. Modern weather routing systems are integrated into voyage planning, reducing delays and improving safety through real-time updates.
Her cargo management system is one of the most advanced in the LNG sector, with tank monitoring sensors, temperature and pressure regulation, and remote shutoff capabilities. The system ensures the cargo remains stable, safe, and ready for delivery, whether she's transporting gas from Qatar to Japan or from the US Gulf to Europe. The Taitar No.2 performs with surgical precision. One of the performance highlights is her reliquefaction system. Depending on the design, some LNG carriers like Taitar No.2 may include a full or partial reliquefaction plant, allowing excess boil-off gas to be recondensed and returned to the tanks. This not only preserves cargo volume but also helps meet strict environmental regulations by preventing unnecessary emissions.
Let's now take a look at the unique selling points that make the Taitar No.2 a standout LNG carrier in a competitive global fleet. First and foremost is her adaptability. She's built for both large terminals and medium-scale ports. Thanks to her manageable size and draft, this flexibility opens up more trade routes and more business opportunities compared to supersized vessels limited by infrastructure.
Secondly, she incorporates state-of-the-art environmental compliance systems, from selective catalytic reduction (SCR) systems to ballast water treatment units and energy recovery systems. She meets or exceeds all current IMO regulations, including MARPOL Annex V emission standards and ballast water management protocols. This makes her a green ship, not just in fuel but in spirit. Another unique point is crew efficiency. With automation and smart control systems, Taitar No.2 can be operated with a relatively small crew without compromising safety or reliability. This not only reduces operational costs but also simplifies logistics for crew changes and onboard training. Digital integration is another strength. The ship is likely connected to fleet operation centers via satellite telemetry, enabling predictive maintenance, real-time fuel optimization, and voyage performance analytics. This connectivity allows shoreside managers to make data-driven decisions, improving operational efficiency and extending the life of ship components. The Taitar No.2 is also a symbol of economic and geopolitical relevance. LNG is a fuel in high demand as countries shift from coal and oil to cleaner energy sources. This ship is a floating pipeline, contributing to energy security in regions that rely on stable imports of natural gas, whether it's Europe diversifying supply or Asia increasing power generation capacity. Ships like Taitar No.2 are front and center in the global energy transition. And of course, we cannot overlook the fact that ships like Taitar No.2 are part of a broader movement in maritime innovation. The maritime world is increasingly leaning towards smart ships, autonomous systems, and zero-emission designs. While Taitar No.2 isn't autonomous or battery electric, she represents a crucial step along that path, bridging today's needs with tomorrow's innovations.
To sum it up, the Taitar No.2 is more than just a cargo ship. She is a floating powerhouse, a testament to marine engineering, a quiet yet crucial player in the global energy supply chain. Her design is sleek and efficient, her systems are smart and sustainable, and her mission is vital. She carries the energy that powers our cities, heats our homes, and fuels our economies. At Sir Boats Yacht, we celebrate not just the luxurious but the extraordinary. The Taitar No.2 might not have jacuzzis or sundecks, but she has something far more compelling: precision, power, and purpose built into every steel plate and welded seam.
Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into the world of LNG carriers and the Taitar No.2. If you enjoyed learning about this amazing vessel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Sir Boats Yacht for more high seas adventures and ship spotlights. Stay tuned because the world of boats is always on the move and we're riding the waves with it.